Tool4pro is a user-friendly web app for industrial needs, enabling all parties' work to be consolidated in one place for real-time management and collaboration. Tool4pro is a versatile tool with multiple applications in the industry. It is commonly used for maintenance shutdowns, project management, test drives, various product development projects, problem solving, electronic work permits, and digital equipment maintenance logs. Its wide range of uses makes it indispensable in various industrial settings. In Tool4pro, you are provided with a real-time, automatically updating situation picture and a timeline that is constantly updated. Employees always have all the required information to perform their tasks efficiently and effectively. Within the tasks, there are all the necessary work instructions, and various work phases can be established within them. Moreover, it is possible to establish dependencies between tasks, which in turn contributes to the enhancement of safety and overall operational effectiveness. Find additional information about Tool4pro on our website or get in touch with us for further discussion.